We're gonna start this project with large brush. Our first step will be to cover the whole artwork in light blue paint. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and beige paint to create front of the house. We'll start by creating two slightly tilted lines on top and the bottom. Then we'll add two straight lines on both sides. Now you can paint it in. Next we'll paint a triangle roof on top of the house and we'll paint it in. Now we'll paint other side of the house using light brown color. We'll create two straight horizontal lines and one vertical, and then we'll paint this part in. Now we'll use dark brown paint to create bottom part of the house. We'll paint one line parallel to the front of the house and one line parallel to the other side of the house. Then we can paint it in. Next we'll use red paint for the roof. We'll start by outlining top part of the house. We'll create two more lines, one on the side and one on the top. Then we can paint the roof in. Now we're gonna switch to a small brush and we'll use dark brown paint to create chimney on top of the roof. We'll add a straight line on top of the chimney using dark brown paint and small brush. Next we'll create outline for the door and then we'll paint it in. Now we'll paint outline for each window. We'll start painting balloons using red paint and small brush. First you'll create outline, then you'll paint it in. After wiping your brush, you can use pink paint to create couple more balloons. We're gonna wipe our brush one more time and use purple paint to create purple balloons. After cleaning your brush, you can use blue paint to create a couple more blue circles and paint them in. Next, you can use green paint to create green balloons. Next, we'll create light blue balloons. We're gonna wash our brush and wipe it with paper towel before using yellow to create more yellow balloons. After washing and wiping your brush, you can use white paint for white balloons. We'll continue using white paint to create clouds. You can start with a straight line and then create large circle in the middle and smaller circles on the sides. Next, we'll use light blue color to paint inside of the windows. After wiping your brush, you can dip tip of your brush in any color you like and create thin lines connecting chimney and balloons. After wiping your brush, we're gonna dip it in white paint and create a highlight on each balloon. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark brown paint and create a straight line connecting top and bottom part of the window. Next, we'll connect left and right side of the window by creating another line. You can add second layer of dark brown if the paint seems too transparent. You can also add second layer for any balloon that you wish to be brighter. Our final step will be to use any color you like to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.